Hi guys, so I'm gonna do an unboxing today. This is a skincare unboxing. This is from Derma-E. This is the first time I tried Derma-E products, and I've been eyeing their brand on Instagram for a while now, like a year or two ago. So I was so excited when they reached out to me to try out their skincare. So I just ripped the box open right now. So wow, there's 3. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a little bit less, but yeah, no wonder kind of felt a little bit sturdy and heavy. So the first thing, oh yes, I'm so excited. This is the Jasmine and Vanilla Ultra Moisturizing Shea Body Lotion. So this is how it looks. Like I said, I'm dry everywhere, and I need lotion and creams all year long, not just winter time, all year long. So I'm so happy I got this body lotion because I'm running out of my Replenix anti-aging body lotion. So I'm glad I have this one now because I needed a new one. So let me smell it right now. So, and like, if y'all know me, I love everything vanilla scented, perfumes, lip balms, cream, the flavor, the actual food flavor. I'm more a vanilla person than chocolate person. So I love vanilla, the scent, how it tastes, everything. So but this one smells like candy mixed with vanilla, like a bubble gum or something. No, something else, I don't know. Because this has jasmine and it's a flower, so that's why it smells kind of like candy instead of a flower. Vanilla. It's kind of interesting. So this is the first brand I've seen that mixes a flower scent with a vanilla scent. That's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna open it. It comes with a safety cap peel. So ooh, it feels like something I smelled before, like a candy or gum, but flower with a little bit of vanilla, but the vanilla scent is not really that strong, which is kind of meh, because I prefer vanilla over flower scents, especially when I use it on my face or body, because I don't really like chemically stuff. So okay, it feels very smooth. Okay, let's wipe. Whoa, it feels small. It smells strong. It smells a little bit like cough medicine. Not cough medicine, like something I used to wear as a kid or smelled as a kid. I don't know what it smells like. It smells like something. I have to ask someone else. Look, it's very white. Let me put it in my arm. So I showered yesterday. So I'm not the person that uses lotion right after I shower, which is something that I need to start doing. But luckily I don't get super dry and crusty in my body like that. So I still need to use moisturizer. It's easy, blendable. You see, it doesn't feel super thick or greasy. So if you like that about lotions, you're gonna love this one. And it's easy to use. Look, but the smell is throwing me off. I don't really like the smell, to be honest. It smells more like a shampoo or perfume, like not so much a body lotion. I don't like it. But I like that it's vegan and it has hyaluronic acid and it strengthens and restores, and it's dermatologist recommended. I'm reading all of this. So it sounds like it's good for your skin. So okay. And like, it's no parabens, no phthalates, no soap, everything. No everything, literally. I'm not gonna list it all, but all the bad chemicals don't have this supposedly. And it has like shea and cocoa butters with the intense hydration of the jasmine and vanilla extracts to help balance skin's moisture levels. So the directions is just apply as needed to entire body, concentrating on areas of dryness, which to me is everywhere to be honest. So that's pretty nice. So it looks like it's good for your skin. I'm guessing it's gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free, soy-free, like everything here. So that's pretty cool. So if you have sensitive skin, this is probably a good brand for you. So I'm so excited to try this. Not so much for the smell, but because I don't want to be dry. So yeah. The next thing is, let me hide this. Is this? Whoa, that's pretty long name. Well, that's a pretty long name. So let's see. It's the Rosehip and Almond Anti-Aging. Oh, I need anti-aging. Shea Hand and Cuticle Cream. Oh, that's cool. So this is vegan collagen, retinol, and astaxanthin. I'm freaking astaxanthin restores and softens. I've never heard of this ingredient before. That's interesting. So these two, yes, these are anti-aging ingredients. So it's pretty scary because you have to be very careful when you use retinol because it can ruin your whole skin. You can mix it with certain ingredients. So right now I'm just using vitamin C oil and like this spot treatment and a little bit of moisturizer. Not really, because I'm trying to use what the I'm sorry, esthetician recommended me. So yeah, but this is for your hands and cuticle. So right here, so that's pretty cool because I've never owned a cuticle cream before. So hand cream, yes, but anyway, let me smell it. So I love the packaging. It's like roses and flowers. So, well, I think it smells the same. Does it smell like, oh, it's rose hip and almond, never mind, but it kind of smells the same. I don't really notice a huge difference with the other scent. It smells pretty similar. That's surprising. It's supposed to smell different, right? It has different ingredients. I don't freaking know. So I'm trying to open this plastic off. I don't know if I like this the scent. I don't know. The texture, yes, it feels nice, but it's not over moisturizing because it's not super thick, but maybe that's good. You just have to reapply. I don't freaking know. So let me see. Let me just close this. Okay. Let me put it here. Wait. So it's white too. So oh no. This smells a little bit stronger. Let me put it here. My cuticles. I don't know if I like this scent. The scents are throwing me off, but they do feel very nice and hydrating, moisturizing, and not thick and heavy. So this is good for all skin types. Yeah, pretty much. It feels soft. I don't like the scent, I'm sorry, but if it works for anti-aging, then I guess so. I'm gonna continue using it because the hands are the part where you age the quickest and fastest, and it's more noticeable, and your neck. And where else? Neck, hands, and chest, I think. So, you know, I need a lot of anti-aging everywhere, but especially here, hands and neck and all, and face. So yeah. Okay, the last thing, they just sent me 3 things. So it's this one. Oh, this is lavender, I'm assuming. So it's the vitamin E lavender and neroli skin smoothing shea hand cream. So this one has salicylic acid, ceramides, and AHAs, and it renews and protects. So it looks like this. I don't like lavender scent at all. It's pretty strong. I don't like this flower scent, but as long as it helps. And I don't think you're supposed to mix ceramides and AHs with retinol, but I'm not sure. Since my body is not as sensitive as my skin, I'm gonna risk it for now. I don't forget. So let me open this plastic first. Oh, it's taking a while. Let me turn it off. Okay, my hand kind of feels a little tingly. Not really. Maybe from using everything at once. Let me use it on this side instead. So it kind of smells the same. Everything smells the same. Oh, Bella, I put way too much. Way too much. This feels refreshing. Ugh, like I said, it smells so strong. Lavender smells so strong and bitter. It doesn't smell good. I know it's from the hand for the hands, but I'm still gonna have to put it in my arm because I got way too excited. If I put too much by accident. It's the same texture, consistency. I just don't like the scent. This is the strongest scent of all of the other ones. I don't like it. Yeah, they need to come up with better scents. But anyways, it looks very nice. It dissolved in my skin. It absorbed in my skin quickly. Not dissolved, so that's pretty nice. It doesn't feel thick or heavy. Basically it. I'm just gonna end it here. Which one is the one you're most excited about? Have y'all tried this brand before? If y'all do, let me know. So it's pretty cool and exciting. I'm the most excited for this one. Oh, and actually one of these, because I've never tried a cuticle cream before, hand cream, so it's pretty cool. So that's pretty much for today. I unboxed like what, 4 things. Yeah, I received a lot of things this year. I am so surprised. I don't really know how. Being blessed today. I mean, this month, this few months, especially, yeah, this month, last month, when it comes to PR, everything has been like back to back. I've been receiving a lot of opportunities. Some they just reach out to me by email, or some I do reach out to them, or people I support on Instagram send me forms to me to fill out. So that's why I try to help y'all and send y'all the links and where to sign up to get PR, because I know it's a struggle and it's hard to find PR, especially for us nano influencers or micro influencers, however you want to name yourself, which are influencers under 10K. And whenever you reach 10K, you receive a lot of PR opportunities, and I'm only at 6K. That's why I'm surprised that I have a lot of PR opportunities back to back like this. It's pretty crazy and surprising to me, but anyway, so yeah, I'm so grateful, and thank you Derma-E for sending me this, and all the other brands as well. Like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. So okay, I'm gonna end this today. And last night I kept biting my lip. It's a habit, and I was bleeding. I felt the taste of the blood last night. It's a habit. It's like biting my nose, but now my lips. It's always a new habit. If it's not my nose, now it's the lips. Now it's gonna be, I don't freaking know. But yeah. Okay, yeah, bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.